Hey guys, how's it going? So, AABB could have a very exciting week next week. Who really knows? If they launch the exchange next week, we could see the stock, you know, maybe break new 52-week high and make investors a lot of money. Who really knows at the end of the day what's going to do? But I'm very excited and I can't wait for next week for this stock. I'm hoping we hear some kind of exchange news because you know, would love to be able to start trading on the AABB stock or trading app. But near the end of the day on Friday, big amount of, like, if we look at the charts, huge amount of volume came in near the end of the day. Pushing the stock all the way up to 21.5 cents. Will it continue into next week? I have no idea, but if we look at from a charting perspective, it's no longer overbought. It went all the way to being overbought, pulled back, consolidated, and now it's pushing up. So I'm thinking that Monday is going to be exciting, especially we hear like some kind of exchange news from AABB. They released it 10 days ago saying, oh, preparing for immediate launch of proprietary cryptocurrency exchange. It's literally been like, like immediate. It should be like a week, 2 weeks at best, but maybe this is just a press release to pump the stock. Who really knows at the end of the day? But congratulations to people who bought the stock and hold it, because you're finally making some money. So let's see if this will happen. I'm excited. I'm hoping that we hear some kind of exchange news from AABB, and maybe the stock will get pumped higher. As a shareholder, that's what I want. But will the market do that? I don't know. So see, there's something. This is pretty exciting here, but I saw this on Facebook and I thought maybe I share it. As we can see, the closer and closer we got to the launch, the more and more people were buying the AABG token, and each AABBG token that it got bought from the company gives the company some money, especially give the company some digital money, digital currency. So I know they're not making any money from mining gold anymore, but they're making a little bit of money from people buying the AABBG token. And then when the exchange is launched, they're going to make money from the transaction fees. So yeah, this company might not be, the Coinbase or the Voyager of the world, but they do have an interesting business model. They mine gold. They they have their own crypto currency that is attached to the value of their gold. And who knows, maybe one day AABBG token could get listed on Binance and Coinbase, and this company could become a pretty decent sized company, maybe trading at $1, maybe trading at $2, and possibly making investors super rich. Who really knows at the end of the day? That's the gamble, right? I'm sure the company is doing their best, trying to grow and progress forward, and hopefully the stock gets rewarded for that. But at the same time, I do caution you that there's a possibility the stock could go back down to 11 cents if just no exciting news hits the market for this. So I hope so. I hope everyone makes money off this. I hope investors don't lose money. That's all I hope. But yeah, very excited for that. Moving forward, so I've been playing a lot of Diablo Immortal lately, and I came across that you can get controller support for Diablo Immortal. There's the DualShock 4. You can use the PlayStation DualShock 4, the Razer Kesa, and the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, among others. So I don't. Too bad the PlayStation 5 controller doesn't have support. I do have the DualShock 4 controller, but that controller doesn't feel very comfortable. I prefer like the Xbox controller or the PlayStation controller, but I don't really like the DualShock 4 controller. They're kind of small, but it's I still have a bunch of PlayStation 4 controllers, so I could go. I could either go out buy an Xbox controller, or I can buy a Razer case. Razer case. This is what it is. You basically put your smartphone in here, and then you can like basically play your games on your smartphone. Using this controller. It's not Bluetooth, but it connects right to your controller. Like there's a USB-C port. This right here, that's the USB, so that goes right into your controller, and then it automatically connects to your controller, and you can play with real controller functionality, which is kind of cool. But it is $70 right now. It's on sale. Sales ends on November 11th, 2021. I was thinking maybe I should buy it, but me being cheap and everything, I could be like, I could just use my PlayStation 4 controller, or I can wait for them to have an Xbox controller. PlayStation 5 controller support, because eventually that will happen. I think maybe. And then I also am thinking of getting a Google Chromecast, because then I can just attach that to my TV, so I don't have to look at a small little screen to play my game. I can just cast it right to my TV and play my Diablo Immortal on my TV, which is gonna be pretty cool. But kind of want to bring that up, and I'm gonna end the video with Elon Musk, the richest man on the planet at the moment, unless somehow Amazon stock gets pumped to the moon. Anyways, I guess he's selling his stock on Monday of next week, because 57.9% of people voted yes. Out of 3.51 million people. I'm surprised only 3.5 million. And I'm assuming that the people that vote yes are not shareholders, and the people that vote no are shareholders. That's my assumption. So if we take our calculator, 3.5 million times 57.9, 0.579, that means almost 2 million people don't want Elon Musk to sell his stock. 2 million people. So that means that 1.5 million people are shareholders, and 2 million people are either short sellers or people that want the stock to go down so they can buy it in cheaper. Just saying, it's kind of hilarious. But anyways, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.